10 tips to motivation. Tip number 1, start where you are. I know that might seem like a big breakthrough, and maybe it is for you. I know for some people it's actually pretty hard to stop procrastinating and start moving. But science says something in motion tends to stay in motion. That's the beautiful power of momentum. Once you begin, you're much more likely to keep going. Tip number 2, set specific goals and write them down. Be specific when writing down your goals, and those who write them down accomplish significantly more than those who don't. Tip number 3, get up early. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Tip number 4, set a daily routine. Daily routines can help you to block distractions, gives you energy for more important tasks, and boosts creativity. Tip number 5, make it easy on yourself. Change can be hard, so remember, small, simple steps is the key to success. Tip number 6, plan ahead. Planning ahead can reduce stress and anxiety. Winston Churchill said, "He who fails to plan is planning to fail." Tip number 7, proximity is powerful. You are an average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So surround yourself with people who are kinder, wiser, and more positive than yourself. Tip number 8, stop stopping. That seems pretty self-explanatory. If you don't stop, you don't have to worry about getting started again. Tip number 9, read daily. Reading is a great exercise for the brain. It improves memory, focus, concentration, and makes you a better analytical thinker. Tip number 10, challenge yourself. Challenging yourself and getting out of your comfort zone helps make you stronger, changes you in a way that increases your self-esteem. It opens up new opportunities and new experiences, which allows you to truly establish your priorities in your life. What topics would you like to see me cover, and what motivates you? Let me know in the comments below.